Matthew and Kathleen, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly? Are you prepared as you follow the path of marriage to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
I am.
Are you prepared to accept children lovingly from God and to bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church?
I am.
Since it is your intention to enter the covenant of holy matrimony, join your right hands and declare your consent before God and His church.
I, Matthew, take you, Kathleen, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
I, Kathleen, take you, Matthew, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
May the Lord in His kindness strengthen the consent you have declared before the church and graciously bring to fulfillment His blessing within you. What God joins together, let no one put asunder. My joy now to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Matt and Katie Hensley.
one hell of a fine man, and you should be proud of that. And also with Matt, take care of her. But again, Katie, please, for the love of God, don't treat Matt like a piece of farm equipment, because he will not last. I'm just telling you, it's just not what it is. It's not built like that. So again, cheers to Matt and Katie. May they have a life of happiness and prosperity.